everybody, welcome to my video today. Today I'm sharing with you guys my Crafty card kits on the go. Last night was my local card class that I do with my fellow demonstrator Wendy Cranford and I. Together we have a local card class and we get together and we create some really fun cards and we hang out with some really great ladies and we just craft together. And today what we always do is if we have kits left over from our class, we offer them to you guys online because we love to feel like you guys can participate with us here online. So this month we have some really fun cards. We are using the Painted with Love Designer Series paper, and this is really a fun paper. It's a specialty paper because it has all of this foil on it, and then the other side does not have foil on it. Can you guys believe these are the last two pieces I have out of like 3 packs that I got of this because I've used it so much. So I love it, and that's what we're using. So for my cards, these are the way my cards look. There are 2 other projects, a card and a box that Wendy created. You can see photos of the project at the end of this video and over on my website. So the way that this works is you get 4 kits and then you get 4 exclusive videos on how to put those kits together. Each kit has 2 cards in them, or boxes, or whatever it is that we're creating. You're going to get 2 each of those items to put together, and they come just like this. And then we have exclusive videos where we walk you through how to set up and put together your card. I love the way that these came out. The only thing that you need in addition to getting the card kit is you need the stamp set that we're using. This month I'm using the Hearts Happiness stamp set, and then I also used a sentiment from this stamp set. Now, this is a host stamp set, so you can only get this stamp set if you spend $150 or more, and then you can buy it with Stampin' Rewards. But you can swap out any sentiment that you want. It doesn't have to be this sentiment. So the kits are $24, free shipping, free tax. There is a link below where you can go to buy the kit. You can go over to my website. You can see photos of Wendy's projects and what she put together, how everything looks. And then if you're interested in purchasing the kit, just follow the link, purchase the kit, free shipping, no tax. And then we would love if you would tag us when you put together your cards. You can use the hashtag, let me put up a hashtag right here. Use that hashtag and tag me in the post because I love to see what you guys are making when you get these kits. I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday. I'll be back on Friday to share with you a fun project that I made. Hope you're having a great week. And
thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.